Measurement is a key aspect of understanding your performance and maximizing the efficiency of your ads. Google Analytics helps you turn information into insights by generating reports that can help guide budget planning and lead to well-performing campaigns. In this video, discover which Google Analytics reports can help you understand your marketing performance. You will learn about the Google Ads Campaign Report, the Google Ads Keywords Report, and the Conversions Report. The first report we will look at is the Google Ads Campaign Report. To get there, go to Acquisition, then Google Ads, and later Campaigns. This report will show you your Google Ads campaigns and their performance, including clicks, cost, users, sessions, bounce rate, as well as your conversions. When looking at this report, it's important to first understand the difference between clicks and sessions. Clicks are directly imported from Google Ads, showing the number of times your ad has been clicked, whereas sessions are how many times a user has interacted with your website. On the right side of the report, you can see your default conversions. These conversions are either your analytics goals or your e-commerce conversions. This segment will allow you to compare your campaign's performance by looking at your conversion rate. You can then prioritize campaigns with high conversion rates. If you'd like more detail than the campaign level, move over to the Keyword Report. Here you will find the performance of each of your keywords in a similar fashion to the previous report. You can compare the clicks, sessions, and conversion rate between keywords to gain more insights to make better decisions in the future. If you want more details on which campaign or ad group this keyword is coming from, you can always add a secondary dimension. In this example, you can see that the keyword hats from the formal ad group has 84 clicks from 76 users, and 17 goal conversions with a conversion rate of over 18%. Compared to the keyword socks from the shoes ad group that has 26 clicks from 17 users, and 1 goal completion with a conversion rate of over 7%. Now let's take a look at the conversions report within Analytics. Here you can see both e-commerce and goals reporting. The main difference is the type of conversion being used. For this example, we'll be using the Goals Overview report. Within this report, you'll be able to see the goal completions for your website and understand your overall performance. Remember, this report shows data from multiple sources, not just goal completions that came from Google Ads. This report includes your goal completions, rate, location, and of course, the source or medium. Initially, Analytics shows you all your goals. But if you want to deep dive into your most important goal, simply click All Goals and select your most important goal. Here you will be able to see the performance of that goal. If you click on Source/Medium, you can see a simple report showing where these conversions came from. Now that you understand your reports, you'll be able to make the correct decisions for your business and maximize your return on investment. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.